Navigating Amazon FBA for food sellers. So, a step by step guide in this video on how Amazon FBA can launch and grow your food business. Amazon's Fulfillment by Amazon. So, this is the FBA program. It has actually revolutionized the way sellers are doing business on the platform. But for food sellers in particular, it has opened up a world of opportunities, allowing them to reach a global customer base without the hassles of storage, packaging, or even shipping. However, navigating Amazon FBA for food sellers can be a complex task, especially for those who are new to the platform. So this step-by-step guide will simplify the process and provide you with knowledge and tools to leverage FBA for your food business. All right, so welcome to Marketing Food Online. It is Damian Roberti, founder and CEO of Marketing Food Online. I have been a e-commerce owner along with my wife for over 13 years now. I actually been selling on Amazon for over a decade. We've sold just about $1 million+ worth of our food, snacks, and candies from our commercial kitchen. So I wanted to put together this video to give you a little bit of tips on my own experience and some educational knowledge on what to expect if you're looking to tap into FBA specifically for food businesses. It is a different world than selling other types of products, trust me, because I've learned the hard way. But in this video, I'm going to go over some pointers and tips. We're going to dive into that right now. All right, so let's go over step one. Now, understand the basics of FBA. This is especially good if you're brand new to Amazon or you're going to be selling food through the FBA program. Before you can start navigating Amazon FBA for food sellers, it's extremely important to understand the basics of the program. So FBA allows you to store your products in Amazon's fulfillment centers. When a customer places an order, Amazon will pick the product, pack it, and ship the product on your behalf. Now, they also handle customer service and returns specifically for your food products as well. Step number two, setting up an Amazon seller account. This is very critical and crucial. Listen to what I'm about to tell you. The use of FBA, in order for you to use FBA, you need to set up an Amazon seller account. Now, this involves providing basic business information, agreeing to Amazon's terms of service, of course, and choosing a specific seller plan. Now, Amazon offers two seller plans: individual and professional. Now, for most food sellers, the professional plan, which does come with a monthly subscription fee, I believe is $39, is the most suitable option as it offers more features and flexibility. I myself, when I launched, was a seller of that specific plan and have been for the past 10 years, so I highly recommend it. All right, so step number three. So you want to list your food products. Now, this is the part where you create the listing as it is known. Now, once you've set up your seller account, you can start listing your food products. Now, this involves providing detailed, specific information about each product, including its title, description, and price. Now, you also need to provide product identifiers like potentially a UPC or an EAN codes for the product. For food products, it's also important to provide nutritional information and the allergen warnings. That is very, very critical. Make sure your listings have that information also. Step number four, you want to prepare your products for FBA. This is my learning curve that I'm about to teach you because I messed up a few times when I first started. So you want to preparing your products for FBA is a crucial step in navigating Amazon FBA for a food business. Now, this involves particularly packaging your products according to Amazon's FBA packaging and prep requirements. So now for food products, this requirement can be quite specific. Now, for example, all food products must be properly sealed and protected, and they must have a shelf life, this is important, of at least 90 days from the time they arrive in Amazon's fulfillment center. 3 months, guys. You got to have a 3-month out window. Don't send something that's going to go out in 30 days. They're going to send it back or throw it away. And now, number five, step five. So you want to ship your products to Amazon. Now, this packaging product, when you put it in the shipping boxes, listen very carefully too. It's extremely important to be accurate with your inventory. Once your products are prepared, you can create a shipment in your seller account and send your products to Amazon's fulfillment centers. Now, Amazon provides detailed instructions on how to pack and ship your products, especially when it comes to food. And it's important to follow these instructions to ensure that your products arrive safely and are accepted by Amazon. Make sure the inventories you enter, by the way, the inventory count is exactly the same as the box that you're sending. Step number six, you want to manage your inventory. This is critical with food. Once your products are in Amazon's fulfillment centers, it is important to manage your inventory effectively. Now, this involves monitoring your inventory levels, forecasting demand when you start to run low, and replenishing your stock as needed. So this is not a set it and forget it type of concept. Amazon provides a various amount of tools and reports to help you manage your inventory, and it's really critical when your inventory gets low that you replenish in a good amount of time. Now, step number 7. Now, you want to optimize your listings. Now, this is critical to SEO and the algorithm in Amazon. Now, to maximize your sales, it's important to optimize your product listings. This involves using high quality images, writing compelling product descriptions, and using relevant keywords to improve your product's visibility on Amazon search results. Now, you want to check out, by the way, some listings really quick, some video content down below in the description section. I have a ton of other information about Amazon specifically for food sellers. You want to check that out down below. Let's dive right back into it. Number 8, step 8, you want to manage your orders and returns. Now, with FBA though, Amazon handles the logistics of fulfilling your orders and of course managing returns. However, this is critical. However, it is still important to actually monitor your orders and returns, respond to customer inquiries, and address any issues that arise. I highly recommend you do that within 24 hours because your account will get dinged if you do not respond to a customer in 24 hours. Step number 9, review your own performance. Now, you want to be on top of this. This is a make or break for any Amazon seller. Finally, it's important to actually regularly review your performance and look for ways to improve it. Now, Amazon provides various reports and analytics that can actually help you understand your sales trend and identify popular products and spot any issues with your own products. Keep in mind, there is some trending products in the food section you can make a lot of money on if you stay on top of some of those trends. So kind of to recap what we went over. So navigating Amazon FBA, as I mentioned for food sellers, it can be a little bit complex of a task when you first start, but with the right knowledge, like this video and others, and tools, it can also be a rewarding one. So FBA offers a host of benefits from storage and fulfillment to customer service, returns, as I mentioned, allowing you to focus on what you do best, making those specific food products, okay, and sending them in and making sure that you replenish as needed. Now remember, success with FBA does not happen overnight. All of these videos about I made $1 million in 30 days, nonsense. I've been on Amazon for 10 years and I know it requires careful planning, a lot of diligent preparation, and continuous optimization. But be patient, persevere, stick with it, act as if it's a business. It's a long-term commitment, and your food business will definitely succeed. FBA offers a ton of really great opportunities for food entrepreneurs such as yourself. So equip yourself with the right knowledge, stay flexible, and embark on this journey. And I'm telling you, man, it can definitely make a big difference. Our first year on Amazon was actually not a full year because we started around July. This was in 2014. We did about $35,000 or $40,000, which was not bad. I was actually still learning and had a lot to still learn about it. And as a matter of fact, to be honest with you, 10 years into it, there's plenty of things I'm still learning, optimizing. It's an ongoing learning process. So don't think that you're going to know it all the first month or year. Make it an ongoing thing to learn as you go. But as we grew, I think it was 2.5 years, about our 3rd year in, we were at 6 figures, which was a huge celebratory thing because I've actually never owned a business that I never made 100,000 or six-figure business ever. When I worked for my job for 20 plus years, I was not making 6 figures. So that was a really exciting thing. So from there, it just kept continuing to grow and it's stabilized. Now, some days or some months, you're actually going to have dips in your sales. Don't expect this to be a constant skyrocketing straight up. You're going to have, it's like a roller coaster. It goes up and down like any other business. Some months are really great. Holiday seasons, we are slammed. Summertime and springtime, not so much because summer is just, it is what it is. It slows down dramatically, so we rely on other sources of income, such as our YouTube. We have a lot of e-commerce businesses and blogs that bring in considerable amount of other revenue. So dive into this thing and definitely keep in mind, FBA is a huge opportunity. Just understand how it works. And if you have questions or comments, let us know down below. We'd love to build out our video content with you guys' questions specifically. And if this was helpful, as always, give us a thumbs up. If it was super helpful, we always thank you. Down below this, you can give us a super thanks. Which keeps us bringing in additional income to keep our lights on and, of course, producing these videos because it does cost us money to actually make these. So we appreciate those super thanks in advance. And I'll see you guys on our next video.